All right. Move over so they can see you, baby. This is my eldest patient. We call her Little Mama and PeyPey, 7 years old. So what we're gonna do today is I just made some LimeAde, which is made with three ingredients technically. 3 ingredients, right?
Water, lime, and
one more. Agave. So what we're gonna do is I made this especially. I made it for everyone in my household, but it's really for my children. My children, I'm trying to get them off of drinking anything unnatural. So this is something that I made for parents out there. We're gonna let my daughter test it for the first time on camera, and you're gonna get her natural reaction. And we'll have to improvise based off of her reaction if she dislikes it. All right, so let's see.
If I dislike it, thumbs down. If I agree, I like it.
If you don't like it, did you say if you don't like it, it's thumbs up? What did you say?
No. If I don't like it, thumbs down.
Oh, okay.
I hope I get.
Be sure that when you get the lime, that the lime either has seeds or it's organic.
Yeah.
Don't get the lime if it isn't one of the two. You want an organic lime or you want a lime that actually has seeds. So, let's just see.
I don't think this lime's good.
So we're gonna pour it out.
I don't see the color.
All right, baby. Try that out.
There's 3 things that I taste. The water, agave, and the lime.
I hear that. Is it good?
Yeah, it doesn't taste like nothing. Only I taste the agave and the water and the lime.
Let me try this out here.
Daddy got a lime.
Mm-hmm. I'll just bust that right on down.
We wanted to get.
Oh, this is good. It's actually, I need more citrus for me. Let me taste yours. Let me make sure that, because you probably got the top. Oh, no. Yeah, you got it. You like it, right? Imagine if it was freezing cold. So, yeah. She likes it. I love it. It works. Make it for your children. Have them drink alkaline. And that's really the bottom line. I'm sharing the wealth with our community.
I like these.
LimeAde.
Daddy tastes different, like the green tea.
It does have a green tea taste. Peace.